April 19th, and we are 13 minutes, make it 12 minutes from the open. I'm just going over my daily watch list here before I start looking at what's running in the market today. So open is starting to get some traction. I'll turn this down a little bit. Sava. I remember when Sava was no more than $2. And then Bitcoin took off. It took off with it. Okay. Alright, so plug is trending today. I remember when plug was $4 as well before Biden took over. When Biden took over, it shot up to 70. That's not even it. It had shot up to like 70 something. Yep, 75. Trending this morning. Alright, so MDVL was on the move yesterday. Is it, let me see if it's, no, not easy to borrow. So I'm gonna pause it here, guys, and once something happens, once the market opens, I'll open back up. Alright, guys, so I'm in TBLT right now. I'm watching it for, I'm long. I'm in at 23.11. I'm giving it 1 penny. So, we seem to be struggling around the 23 area. So I'm looking for that VWAP bounce, but if it's not giving me the VWAP bounce, I'm gonna bounce too. And I might flip short, depends on what it does at VWAP. Okay, I flipped short at the break of VWAP. The only thing that's I'm looking at here is support on the 50 EMA, because that's but I'm looking for the break of the 50 EMA. So we got some movements. So let's see. Let's keep watching. And I'm looking for resistance at VWAP. Gonna be a little patient with it. I'm expecting the a 3-bar play here as it come half of the solid bar, solid pullback, and got it on the pullback, and I'm expecting a flush here. If it doesn't flush, then it can reverse, because then this pullback, this here is a sign of consolidation at support. So let's let me draw up some levels here. We got high of pre-market up here. We got high of day here. Okay. All right, if it breaks, here, I'm gonna have to get out and let it relax for a little bit. I'm gonna pause it here, guys. Okay, here's the retest. Let's see what we get at the retest of 22. This candle here is really crucial. If this candle ends red or under VWAP, that can be a good thing for me since I'm short. But if it's green and it start 3 seconds, boom, okay. I'm gonna pause it again, guys. Alright, guys, so quick update. I went long here, and I scaled out up here, and now I'm short at 25, looking for the break. But if it breaks upward to 26, I will get out. So I'm gonna keep monitoring it right now. We're at 25.6, 25.3 area, and if it gets to 26, I'm gonna exit the trade and we'll go from there. I'm gonna pause it till something happens. Alright, so I'm setting up some buy limits, and I got all 1500 to cover down here. 500, 500, 500. So once those get filled, we'll see what happens. If these two gets filled pretty quick, I will cancel, and it comes down here. I'll cancel this one and let it ride, but we'll see what happens. We'll keep monitoring this. I'll pause it again, guys. Alright guys, I just wanted to give you guys an update. One of my triggers has been hit. 500 shares been covered at 24 down here. So the next one now is at 23. So I'm gonna let it do what it do. I'm gonna pause it right here. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it here for the day. So I managed to get myself a little bit out of that hole of a $67 loss early in the day. But so I took the long trade here on the spike, which I was expecting this spike. And when I took that long trade, reversed, hit resistance and reversed. I cut it for a loss, and then I went on this. I went short again, and then it reversed. I was just fighting freaking algos. So I exit the trade. I covered at the same level I went long the first time, and then went long, and this was when it started getting better, because then I got a good trade here. Look at that. I got out the trade, and then it just flushed. But it's algo trading. They just wanted me out that trade. But anyway, so went long, and then I scaled out, average out, and then I got a nice little chunk here out here, 500 shares out, 500 shares, 1,000 shares out, and then I went short here and covered 500 here, and then covered the rest. Where did I cover the rest? Yeah, I covered the rest up here, and then I went long and sold here for a profit, and then I went short here at because I'm using those levels. I drew those resistance and supports, and I went short here. I covered at VWAP. I covered a piece at VWAP, and I held the rest for 22 actually. And it never gave me that. But right now I was gonna hold it for the rest of the day, but I gotta go handle some things. So I just covered the rest. Look at this. I freaking covered, and then it flushed. It's crazy because it's algo trading, but whatever. So I'm gonna be done here for the day, guys. 18, technically 19 down on the day. I'll take that before I take you know, what I had earlier, the 50 something. So you guys, and if you're red, work on your strategies and make sure you're not blowing up your account. And if you're green, play with some house money if you want, but it doesn't seem to be that much volume going on in the market right now. But you might find something. I don't have trade ideas to get, you know, the best of trade signals, but I use the what DAS comes with, and so that's gonna be it for me for the day, guys. So you guys enjoy your day, and see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye bye. Thank you guys so much for watching today. As always, make sure you trade at your own risk. Make sure that you are willing to lose what you trade, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.